Welcome to Clip Next, and I brought this HOTO Cordless Auto Dispensing Glue Gun from Costco, and let's check it out what it has to offer. So it has a triple heat protection, auto shut off mode, and it's kids friendly. Also, you can use for various crafts and home projects like craft or toy repairs or holiday decoration. And in the box, there is a glue gun, storage bag, glue sticks, and a charging cable. Also, it is auto dispensing and it's faster preheating and it is cordless. So let's open the box. Wow, look at this. I like the packaging. Okay, so this is everything out of the box. This is the glue gun. It's white, gray, and a hint of yellow color in it. Wow, looks very futuristic. It has a cover, and this is the charging port. And the storage bag, and there is a charging cable. It's a type C to USB, and also comes with the glue sticks. So these are 60 glue sticks, 30 in each pack. Wow, there are so many. These are standard glue sticks. You can use the long ones. So let's check the glue gun. It has a very precise tip. So let's turn this on. Okay, when you turn it on, it will flash for a few seconds and the light becomes steady. That's when you know it's ready to use. So it's fast preheating. So one press and it will auto dispense. Now let's insert the glue stick. So insert the glue stick and then press the button and it will automatically feed in the glue stick. Like it automatically pulls in all the way. Now, since it is cordless, I tried it outside. Like I had to glue this stand to my dashboard in the car. So if it's a corded glue gun, then I wouldn't be able to do it. But since it is cordless, I can take it outdoors. So here I'm going to glue it. Oops, it's the other way. Okay, here. So it dries very fast, or it cools off very fast, so you have to be quick. Wow, look at this. It's very sturdy and I can put my phone. Now I also decided to repair this like a quick fix. I had a little fender that's coming out, so I decided to fix it with the glue gun. And since it is cordless, I can do this very easily. So it's very uniform dispensing. And quickly we are going to press it so the glue cools off fast, and hold it for a few seconds and we are done. So it fixed it really good. So I hope you find this video helpful. You can purchase this from Costco, or I will have an Amazon link below in the description box. Also, it's very good gift idea for your crafty friends. It looks very futuristic. I'm very impressed, and since it is cordless, you can take it anywhere. So it's rechargeable, portable, and you can store it easily into this case and look it more organized. So make sure to like this video, subscribe my channel, share with your crafty friends, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. Till then, bye bye.